Oh, where you going? Oh, don't eat my shirt. Why you gotta eat my shirt? Oh, you're gonna eat Brennan's blanket. That's good.
No, I want to pace again.
Bye-bye. Why does he keep putting his hands behind his back? It's just so funny. Come here. Where are you going? And now I can't see you. You're hiding. There you are. I see you now. Oh, yeah. You got your game? Are you going to play? Tell him. I want to play. Tell Brendan you want to play. Come here.
Mom, who do you think? This dude?
Whoop.
This dude right here?